Hey pet lovers, welcome back to the channel. As the seasons change, we all start reaching for our tissues and vitamin C, but have you ever wondered if your furry best friend can catch a cold or the flu too? It's a question we get a lot, and today we're diving deep into the world of pet sniffles. Can your dog or cat get sick just like us? And more importantly, what should you be looking for? Let's get into it. First things first, let's clear up a common misconception. The viruses that cause the common cold and flu in humans are typically not the same ones that affect our pets. So, you don't usually have to worry about passing your cold to your dog or cat or vice versa. Phew, what a relief, right? However, our pets have their own set of viruses and bacteria that can cause very similar respiratory illnesses. In dogs, we often talk about kennel cough, and in cats, it's usually referred to as feline upper respiratory infection. Though we might call it a dog cold or cat flu for simplicity, the causes are different. So, what are the signs that your pet might be feeling under the weather? They're actually pretty similar to what we experience. For our canine companions, be on the lookout for sneezing, a runny nose with clear or colored discharge, and coughing. A big one for dogs is a distinct, honking cough that's a classic sign of kennel cough. You might also notice they're more tired than usual, have watery eyes, or a decreased appetite. They might just want to curl up in their bed all day instead of chasing their favorite ball. Now, for our feline friends, the symptoms are also quite familiar. A cat with an upper respiratory infection will often sneeze a lot. You might see discharge from their eyes or nose, which can be clear, yellow, or green. They might also have what we call conjunctivitis, where their eyes look red and swollen. Some cats might develop ulcers in their mouth, which can make them drool or refuse to eat because it's painful. Just like dogs, they'll probably be less active and more lethargic, maybe hiding away more than usual. A fever is also a common sign in both cats and dogs. If you see any of these symptoms, what should you do? The first and most important step is not to panic. Many of these illnesses are mild and will resolve on their own, just like our own colds. However, it's always best to call your veterinarian. They can help you determine if a visit is necessary. Never, and I mean never, give your pet human cold or flu medication. Many of these medicines are toxic to animals and can cause serious harm. Your vet is the only one who can safely prescribe medication for your furry family member. To help your pet feel more comfortable at home, you can create a cozy, warm resting space for them. Make sure they have easy access to fresh water and food. Sometimes a little canned food warmed up can entice a pet with a poor appetite. For congestion, you can try bringing them into the bathroom while you run a hot shower. The steam can help loosen up their nasal passages, making it a bit easier for them to breathe. Just a few minutes in a steamy room can provide a lot of relief. Prevention is always better than cure, right? To help protect your pets, make sure their vaccinations are up to date. Vaccines are available for many of the common causes of kennel cough in dogs and respiratory infections in cats. Also, good hygiene helps. Regularly wash their food and water bowls, bedding, and toys. If you know an animal is sick, it's best to keep your pet separated from them to prevent the spread of germs. This is especially important in places where lots of animals gather, like dog parks, daycares, or boarding kennels. So to recap, while your pets don't get the same colds we do, they can get sick with similar symptoms. Keep an eye out for sneezing, coughing, runny noses, and lethargy. If you spot these signs, give your vet a call and never use human meds. A little extra TLC at home can make a world of difference. We hope this helps you feel more prepared to care for your four-legged friend this season. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more pet care tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.